Yeah. See how cute? See how cute?
Look. Here she
She
comes.
wants to pet you. She wants to pet you. Good girl. Good girl, Marley. Good girl. Good girl, Marley. Good girl.
You can pet her.
Girl.
Good. Good girl.
Very good. Good girl, Marley. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Shh, 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 too much. Shh, shh, shh. Good girl. Good girl.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Say cat. Say cat. You can pet her. You can pet her. Just be gentle. Good.
What a good girl. What a good girl. She likes belly rubs. Who likes a belly rub? Who's your Marley Mush? Who's your Marley Mush? Marley Mush. What a Marley Mush. You're so cute. Belly rubs. Want to give her a belly rub? Yeah? Come on. What a good girl. Hey, hey, Bo. Shh, shh. Bo's like, how come I don't get any of that attention? She wants all the attention to herself. You want to pet the cat? You want to pet? You can pet her. Very nice. Bo. Hey. Shh, shh. Good girl. Good girl.
And here she goes.
She might enjoy watching her walk around more than petting her.
Tammy usually like runs away, you know?
Oh, yeah?
Not like she's running away from Caitlin,
Right.
but like she just runs, you know, and Caitlin gets a kick out of watching her run across the room.
Hey. Shh, shh. Be quiet.
You gonna pet the cat? Pet the cat. Good. Good girl.
Very good.